Hello everyone, my name is John, see John Vlog here. If you're new to the channel, my name is John and I'm from the New Orleans area and I spent a lot of time in Mississippi, a lot of time in the southern Mississippi on the beach area. I took a little video here. I had a rare night off one tonight and I made a video about the local foods and stuff we have here in Mississippi. I went to this place called the Blind Tiger. It has really good royal red shrimp. Um, it's not, I don't think it's locally caught, but the Royal Reds are really easy to peel, I should say, and they just really tender and you dip it in that sauce and you don't have to dip it in the sauce. They taste you without the sauce, but this place, man, it's open air. It's right on the beach in Hancock County, Mississippi, on the Gulf of Mexico. It's a bay of St. Louis that opens up into the Gulf of Mexico. Really great atmosphere. I put the drone up and did some videos and the area around right on the beach here. They got this is the Bay St. Louis harbor, and man, it's just a really great area. If you ever get the chance, come on out. It's in Hancock County, Mississippi. It's near Gulfport, Mississippi, and near Biloxi, Mississippi. But this area I'm in here is actually a town called Bay St. Louis. It's a little bit closer to the Louisiana, to the western side of the coast of Mississippi, and this is where a lot of people from New Orleans go for the weekend. They go to hang out and they just go to kick back and relax. A lot of people have vacation homes on the weekend. They just use it on the weekends only. Man, back when I was a kid, 30, 40 years ago, man, everybody used to seemed like everybody I know had a weekend home in Mississippi. They used to go hang out, walk to the beach. And now they got a lot of casinos, so it's a lot more busy. It's not as quiet and laid back as it used to be, but it's still really a nice getaway because unfortunately, we just had a police officer shot here in Biloxi, Mississippi, so that's really sad. But I don't want to be a downer. But stuff it happens. Crime happens everywhere. But unfortunately, it happened to us a couple days ago. We lost one of our Biloxi police officers, so it's really sad. They caught the guy supposedly that shot him. I'm sure he'll stand trial or whatever. Anyway, that's not what this video is about. And I just wanted to make a quick video. I had the night off, and this is a really pretty area here. It's called Hancock County, Mississippi. It's the westernmost part of South Mississippi on the beach. It's Gulf of Mexico right there. So yeah, thanks for checking my video out. Click the thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and all that good stuff. And yeah, I try to get low here in the video. I try to get low to the water to get good. Man, they have some really nice boats out here. Some yachts. I guess they're called yachts. They're not really boats. You could live on these. Some of these boats are so big, 40, 50 footers, 60 footers, I guess. So yeah, give me a big thumbs up if you watched it this far. I appreciate it. Click the red bell and all that good stuff. And yeah, I'll see y'all next time. Thank you so much for checking out my video. Y'all have a great day.